Scalability versus optimization in your YouTube ads. These are two key components we're going to be diving into in this video. What does optimizing a YouTube ad look like? What does scaling a YouTube ad look like? We're going to be breaking down the components and why you shouldn't really always try to do two of them at the same time. It's kind of like going to the gym and you're trying to gain muscle and lose weight at the same time. It doesn't really work out. There's an order to do things. That's what we're going to be showing you in this video for your YouTube ads. We're also going to show you some of the YouTube ad capabilities and what that means and how you're able to scale more efficiently than other platforms like Facebook, how the optimization differs than platforms like Facebook as well, and how you can actually make sure that you're optimizing first and then scaling those optimized campaigns so you really hone in on how to hit a bullseye with your darts that you're throwing, and then once you know how to hit a bullseye, you just throw more darts, and that's how you scale up. So we're going to be diving into that here, why with scalability YouTube ads are better than Facebook ads, and exactly what you should look for. This is actually a recent clip from an AMA I did where I was asked this very question, so let's hop in and take a look. So next question is, what's the difference between optimization and scalability? That is a great question because they're two very different things, but they both need to be done in conjunction at separate times. You want to make sure that you optimize your campaign and you really dial in specifically to what is working. Now, the beautiful thing on YouTube is you can actually tell down to the exact video you're running your ad in front of, exact keyword that you're running, audience that you're running. Obviously, we have our 3D YouTube ads formula that we have back there, right? You can tell down to the exact video you're running your ad in front of what causes somebody to convert or not convert. And so you want to trim, get rid of what doesn't work, trim the fat, focus on what's actually providing conversions, optimizing on that, and then scaling those campaigns. But this is a huge misconception that people have when we talk about optimization versus scaling is, they say, okay, can we optimize and scale at the same time? And that's the same thing as trying to lose weight and build muscle at the same time. You can have both outcomes, but you need to start with one first. And at least on YouTube, there is an order. You want to make sure, and this is in general in marketing, you want to make sure that you're optimizing and then you're scaling. You're making sure that the campaigns are actually dialed in, and then you're able to increase those budgets. So if you take a campaign, you cast a net, and you're throwing different darts. And those are precision darts. You know what your audience is. You know where you're going to hit. You throw those darts. You see some don't really work. Get rid of those. Some are getting closer and closer to the bullseye. The one that hit the bullseye, those are the campaigns that you want to scale. It's not just campaigns. The problem with Facebook ads is you try and, if you run a campaign, you know how you have to throw the baby out with the bathwater. If things don't work, you have to turn off the whole campaign. There's no way to optimize within a specific campaign. Versus on YouTube, it'll tell you this age bracket, this demographic, this keyword, this audience provided this amount of results. So if you have a keyword, how to lose weight, and a keyword, how to get fit, and the keyword, how to lose weight, has like 5 conversions at a great cost per conversion, and how to get fit has 1 conversion, a very high cost per conversion, just turn off how to get fit. Then you're only running your ads to the keywords that are working best. You can't do that with Facebook. On Facebook, you just have the different audiences and the algorithm decides, you're praying that it's going to work. On YouTube, you can actually tell exactly what you need to optimize. So we optimize first, we trim the fat. I call it trimming the fat. We get rid of all of those keywords, audiences, targeting that aren't working, and we hone in, we start working and focusing on those keywords that are and audiences and targeting that's actually providing results. Then once we have that, once we have a lean, mean, campaign, that's what we can scale up, and that's what we can scale up. And that's how you're able to get those consistent high-level results. So that's optimizing and scaling. Hopefully that answers the question there. I hope you found this video valuable. If you guys want to learn more about YouTube ads for your own business, check out all the links down below. We have a link to our YouTube ads webinar where we dive into exactly how YouTube ads work for your business. We also have a version of our webinar specifically for coaches, consultants, course creators that shows you how to build an infinite pipeline of high ticket clients. So just choose the webinar that works best for you. And if you are ready to schedule a call with our team to walk you through exactly how YouTube ads can be implemented into your own business, you can go to adoutreach.com/apply. The link's right down there in the description to schedule a call with our advising team to learn a little bit more about your business, your current marketing, walk you through YouTube ads, see if that's a good fit. And if it is a good fit, we'll map out exactly what that can look like in your business. Also down below, we have links to some case studies, testimonials. So take a look at that below as well. Feel free to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever we have a new video on YouTube ads and marketing. And also join our Facebook group below as well so that you can actually get access to free trainings, content, and resources. It's another great hub for you to access everything YouTube ads. So thank you for watching. All the links will be right down there in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.